Hi, I'm Pip. Today we have something yummy again. Are you ready? The orange. Look, a giant orange. The orange is orange, just like its name. This is the orange. The orange. Say it with me, orange. Orange, wonderful. The orange is round, really round. Round. Say it with me, round. Round, super. And because it's round it rolls. Look, wee. Let's count the little oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little oranges. Now let's try it. MMMMH. Yummy. Say it with me, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Orange, orange, round and sweet. Rolling, rolling, to my feet. Orange, orange, round and sweet. Rolling, rolling, to my feet. What is that? The orange. Orange and round. And so yummy. Great job. Bye bye. See you soon.